Okay students, in this video we see refraction of light. Have you observed the path of light when it enters from one medium to the another medium? Okay. For example, when we are putting on the light. Okay. So when it is going from one medium to the other medium. From here it is the vacuum. It is entering to the glass slab. So here you see it is bending. Okay. So when it is the direction will be changing when the speed of light is going from one medium to the other medium and again from this side. Okay, so like this. So this is the refraction of light. In the vacuum, the light travels in a straight path, but any transparent medium comes in between means the light will be bending and take to the other direction. If the opacity, that means the hardness, thickness, not optical medium like human beings, like a pencil or like the apple, which is not transparent, if it is coming in front of the light, we see the shadow. Okay, so this is the change of direction. Okay, so we can see so many change of directions. Okay, now for example, this is the example. Now we keep the pencil in the water. You see the bending of the pencil? Yes, sample. Okay, for example, we see the water in the pond or in the river. We see like water is not very deep. Here also you see it is down part is upraised. Now for example, on the letters, if we keep the glass slab, now you see letters are like upraised, letters are like little up, it has come raised. So why it is happening? Let us understand the reason behind this. Okay, now we keep the pencil inside the water. Now the bending, it will be bending here. Okay, now you see the bending, this one, na? Okay, so this is the we know for a fact that a pencil bending. Okay, so now you see when the light travels from denser medium to the rarer medium, what is happening? So in this case, the light reaching observer. Okay, so this makes the pencil appear to be displaced at the interface. Okay, okay, so in this case, the light reaching observer from the portion of the pencil inside the water seems to be coming from a different direction compared to the part of above water. So since the light is coming from different like this bending and coming, so that we see like it is bending here. Okay. Does a pencil appear to be displaced to the same extent? If instead of water, if we use the liquids like kerosene and turpentine, we can see different things. Glass slab and transparent. So both the things you observe here. Here glass slab, you see letters are like upraised. Okay. Now you see different one. Here letters are as it is, not upraised. Here letters are little up it came, na? So this is because of what? Will the letters appear to rise to the same height if you replace the glass slab with a transparent plastic slab? This is plastic, this is glass slab. You will find that extent of the effect is different for different pairs of medium. So different mediums have the different differences of the bending of light. Okay, these observations indicate that light does not travel in the same direction in all media. Okay, media means where the light is entering into the one thing. Now you see here in the glass slab, the light is bending. Okay, so refracted ray towards the normal. When a light ray travels from one optical to another medium, you see. Now here coin is upraised. Like coin is down, but we see like coin is on top. True position of the coin is down, but we see like coin is on top, appears to be here. Okay, So but coin is here, but we feel like coin is here. Okay, it is little upraised when it is in the water. Okay, this is because at the boundary it gets refracted. Here at the boundary, this is the boundary. Okay, so this is the outside vacuum, this is water. So this is the boundary. Here only light will be bending. When the light enters from one medium to the another medium, at the surface of the medium light will be bending. It is called as a refraction of light. Because of this bending, we see that like things are upraised. This appearing to be slightly raised. Okay, now we will see another one. So, add water to see the coin. Bowl, coin and water. Now keep the coin inside the bowl. Now we pour the water. Now if we are seeing from afar, now can we see the coin? We cannot see. When we are near only we can see. Now you see, when we are pouring the water, we are able to see the coin, because now coin is raised. When the light travels from the one medium to the other medium, now light is traveling from vacuum to this one. Okay, so because of bending of light, now the coin is raised. Differences we see now. Okay, in one bowl we pour water. Now we see that in this bowl we see like coin is upraised. So we see the difference now. This is because of the refraction of light. Okay, now you see with the water in the bowl, here two mediums are there. Water is one medium, vacuum is one medium. So when vacuum, light is entering into the water. Here no water. So light travels in the straight path. So we see coin in the down only. Here upraised. Okay, did you see? Coin appears to be here. This is the water. But the true position of the coin is where? This one. Why it is happening? I will explain to you tomorrow. Thank you, students.